So now we have 100 trades as well as few days data. So we will start analyzing the data with the dashboards. And the first one is Metricwise analysis. So what it does is, it gives you your best winning ratio, the top three, and the best risk reward ratio, the best three, by various metrics, right? So for example, first is signal. So, like your bullish trend reversal is the highest win ratio of around 80%, right? Or 77.78%. Then the full candle with volume is having the second highest win ratio. And then rejection from resistance, right? So market is going up and it got rejected from some resistance level, that is also having a highest win ratio. Then you have the risk reward ratio, like engulfing at bottom, bullish trend confirmation and bullish trend reversal. So importance of this is, once you know your best win ratio and best reward ratio, you can stick to those particular signals, right? Even index wise you can do that. Like I am not having more trades other than bank nifty and nifty, but you can see clearly that bank nifty has the highest win ratio as well as highest not highest risk reward ratio, but you can analyze that way. And I will tell you the importance of knowing the best win ratio and risk reward ratio in just a minute. And then you can check the DTE wise, right? Like on which day to expiry, like except 0 DT, your your win ratio is very good. You should know that. Even your risk reward ratio is good on 4 DT and 2 DT trades, right? Even call puts, right? So where you have most win ratios, call or put, and always you can see that the put has the more win ratio, right? Time zone wise you can analyze your trades, which one has the highest win ratio and which one has the highest risk reward ratio, right? And you can decide where you can have more bets. I don't have many overnight trades, maybe only intraday trades. So you can analyze via that as well, because overnight might not give you so many results. Then you have the time gap between trades, how long you have waited. So higher you waited, higher is the win ratio. You see that this is actually actual trade of actual trades of my few days trades. So you can see clearly, and if you analyze your data you will find also the surprising results, right? Even the holding period, some signal might need you to hold for longer, and some might need you to do it for only some quick scalping. So based on that also you can have the best win ratio and risk reward ratio. And importance of that is, like once you have that data, like your average risk reward ratio is 1.1.33 for some metrics, and your win ratio for example 15%, 50%. So for starting capital of 10,000, you can make it 10 times in just 234 trades. And if you're taking 4 trades per day, then it's just 59 trades, right? So you can have this projection, like your result of any win ratio and risk reward ratio is viable for trading or not. You can on just looking at the trades, it might you might see that it is not viable. But even with the smallest like just when you lose, you lose only 7.5%, and when you earn at 10% and just 50% win ratio, you can make very quick money. So the aim for this tool is only finding the your best win ratio and best risk reward ratio across your metrics, and track your performance day wise and signal wise, right? So imagine if you have 3 is to 2, like 60% win ratio, and let's reduce this loss ratio here, or even make it even. Even with 1 is to 1 risk reward ratio, if you have 60% win ratio, you can make 10 times your money in just 156 days. So we will come to this projects and trades in detail. But once you know your metric wise win ratios and risk reward ratio, you can find your best match, and in your trading you can implement those things, right? And next is, once you select anything, so top 3 win ratio and top 3 risk reward ratio is displayed here. If you want to see the metric summary for all signals, you can go to this metric wise summary, where you can have the details of all the signals and their risk reward ratio, their win ratio, all everything mentioned here, right? um, which is very important for your detailed analysis if you want, right? So this is the first dashboard, metrics wide dashboard. You can also, select the day, date range. You can change the date range as well, like you want to check it for only, for example, first few days, right? 11 to 15, you know so you can do that as well. So this is all about analyzing your trade metrics wise, and to find your best win ratio and best risk reward ratio, right? And the last thing you can do is, you can save this as a picture in the same folder where this files is staying, right? So which is very good if you want to share it on social media or save it for future purpose, right? So this is all about metrics wise analysis dashboard. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.